still -1. Akbar and Birbal. Asena lost her 40 cents in the coffee vending machine.
And I'm broke, so I can't.
No, you're not. You said it's okay, let it be. But it was me who said 40 cents are 40 cents. And you have to get it back. It's your money.
Yeah.
You cannot just lose it.
Yeah.
It's something wrong with
money back.
Yeah, coffee machine. It's broke. Give her money back. By God. Let's go visit Rahul.
Sure, so we're taking the decision for the year one.
Yeah.
So based on
Go for year one.
Okay. So we have about how many times to take the decision?
Let's
Before
say
one.
Look who's here. Who is she? Do you guys know her? We have her in a lot of our videos. Who are you?
I am me. Who are you?
Is there hi? Hey, who's this? Who's this?
And in Papouasie-Nouvelle-Guinée. I know if you know Papouasie.
Those are not in my list.
Ouais, mais peut-être, mais si c'est énorme sur 13 gros.
Quoi?
Si sur 13, c'est énorme.
Ah, c'est vrai. On n'avait pas
On est
fait
presque à la
Magical pond right in your magical pond right in your bathtub lives Daisy, a little pink duck with big dreams. Daisy wants to explore the whole wide world, but she can't leave her pond. That's where you come in. When you tell Daisy your daily stories, like what made you laugh or your favorite snack, she imagines traveling to all those places with you. Daisy isn't just a great listener, she's your best friend, ready to cheer you up, keep your secrets.
Look at all the money we have made. We actually won this. It's 1 degree now and 6 o'clock, and I have French class, but I'm skipping because just so tired. And even Rahul is skipping. And we're gonna go with Nicola to my home. And we're gonna. Hi, people love you, Nicola. Say hi. Indian people. Say namaste. Exactly. After reaching home, we had a very hot cup of tea, all three of us, and we were late for the Linkee and we made Julie wait. Fortunately, she was not angry, but I was so scared. So this is our usual routine. We do not miss Linkee baskets every Monday. We make sure we come and get it because it saves us a lot of money, and we are also collecting for a lot of our friends today because they had to miss coming here. So I don't know how we are going to carry those stuffs. I think we are going to drop those items at our friend's place. We are acting delivery people today. And I think it's the first time that it's -2 degrees since yesterday evening. Even in the middle of the afternoon today, it was -2 degrees. I think it's much down now temperature, but it's cold today. Even the French are saying it's cold. Seriously, I can't feel my fingers. I thought I'm wearing gloves, so what might it? Okay, so I can't feel my fingers. Do you see them? They look a little swollen. It's that cold, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Do not underestimate. Down ways to die. No, no, no. Vinny. Vinny must be thinking, what's wrong with these people? Why do they?
I think he's speaking that with us too.
You're taking Vinny's interview?
Ah, it smells so good.
Right.
Holy. This is Nicola's house again. We are here again, and this is Margu. If you remember her from previous vlog. What?
What do you eat now?
The charge got over, and apparently I cannot ride bicycle because it's extremely cold and my hands are not supporting. So we better walk. Yes, it's extremely cold. This is I think peak season of winter. Yeah. I think so, yeah. But we are at the market lane. Look, this is how it looks like at 7. No, it's 8 p.m. Yeah, almost 8 p.m. Yay. By the way, what did you think about our presentation that we did today? It was 3 of us in the team, so I just re-looked it and I'm finding it funny, but what do you guys think? Yes, that's what we are doing here. Finally, I had a report to submit, which I just did, and it's already 9:30 now, so I think we're gonna have some food which Rahul is preparing. I hope he is. And after that, I think I'm gonna just crash in my bed because I'm really very tired today. It's been a very long day, and you can already see my eyes have turned red because I could see in the mirror. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I think that's it for this video. If you have any interesting topic that you think I can prepare videos or vlogs about, please comment down. I would be happy to get some comment suggestions from you, and I can make some new videos if that's helpful to you all. And thank you for all the support. I hope all my videos are helping you out. If yes, please subscribe and share it with your friends whom you think it's going to be useful. And also, please fill out the feedback form because through that I'll be able to know how my YouTube channel is working, where you guys are finding my channels, and a lot of other things. Please fill it out. The link is right here in the first comment, which is highlighted here. Please do, please do, please. Alright, so that's it for tonight. See you in another video. Until then, bye.